technology is autonomous trucks, and we're very excited to show you just how it works. So, close your eyes. Imagine driving down the highway and you see a tractor trailer on your right. It is doing the exact speed limit, using necessary precautions and signals when changing lanes and merging seamlessly with traffic. You look in the cab and are stunned to see that there is no driver for this 18-wheeler. How can this be? This is the future of the trucking industry, and we're here today to help you better understand this emerging technology that will revolutionize the way goods are transported. Now, I think it's safe to assume that most of us probably love beer, right? Budweiser had the world's first commercial shipment by a self-driving vehicle in October 2016 and successfully transported over 50,000 cans of beer on a 120-mile trek to Colorado.
What is the technology? Self-driving tractor-trailers are an emerging technology that will transform the trucking industry and the way goods are delivered. The driverless technology industry is expected to be worth $900 billion globally by 2025 and is currently growing by 16% each year. Autonomous tractor-trailers would allow major trucking companies like J.B. Hunt to expedite shipments across country by eliminating the need for drivers to stop to eat, sleep, or stretch during the trip. For long-haul trucking, this would reduce the risk of drivers falling asleep at the wheel, driving erratically due to fatigue, and the number of accidents per year due to human error.
How does the technology work? Driverless technology requires video cameras and radar sensors to detect traffic lights, read road signs, and keep track of other vehicles, while simultaneously looking out for pedestrians and other obstacles. LiDAR sensors help to detect the edges of the road and identify lane markings by bouncing pulses of light off the vehicle's surroundings. Additional ultrasonic sensors in the wheels help to check the position of curbs and other vehicles when parking. Key component is a central computer analysis of all the data from the sensors to manipulate the steering, acceleration, and braking. Challenges for this technology include determining solutions related to processes for refueling gas tanks or recharging battery packs for electric vehicles, as well as the risks of reliance on sensor technology and the potential for mechanical failure during long-haul transport.
Battery range will be the biggest obstacle to the widespread adoption of electric trucks, as Tesla's pack will probably only have a 200 to 300 mile range. The other challenge will be having enough charging stations and enough power available at each station to support fleets of Tesla trucks. The Nikola One attempts to overcome these limitations. This gorgeous hydrogen fuel cell truck will have a range of 1,200 miles. The Young company plans to begin leasing their trucks by 2020 for about $6,000 a month, including the cost of fuel. But it will first need to build a network of about 400 charging stations throughout the country.
J.B. Hunt is a Fortune 500 transportation company that specializes in moving freight efficiently for customers. They're one of the largest transportation logistics companies in North America. J.B. Hunt provides safe and reliable transportation services to a diverse group of customers throughout the continental United States, Canada, and Mexico. In J.B. Hunt's own annual report for 2016, they state, and I quote, "We like to say there are two types of companies active these days, those who disrupt and those who will be disrupted." Some of the business applications that would be applicable to J.B. Hunt using autonomous trucks is it allows them to have shipments to arrive at their destinations faster. This would make J.B. Hunt more money and reduce the overhead of paying a driver for that same haul. Based on GEP Consulting's research, fuel and driver wages form approximately 75% of the average marginal cost of running a truck business. With autonomous trucks, labor costs will drop by 25% and fuel costs will drop between 10 and 12%.
Time is money in this industry. As an example, to give you here, for Arkansas to Maryland, Arkansas is where J.B. Hunt's headquarters is. It's approximately 1,025 miles total for that trucker to drive. That's around 15 hours and 55 minutes of driving time for an autonomous truck if they're able to drive straight through. This would take a driver approximately 24 to 26 hours to travel if they've remained in compliance with regulations set by the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. This emerging technology remains in the headlines and is something that is very close to reality for all of us. Even this week, autonomous trucks made the Washington Post. The benefits to J.B. Hunt, highway safety, and the environment are immeasurable. We're excited to watch the evolution of this industry.